Hi Year 2, Miss Wilson again for day 4 of maths. We are nearly there, you're all doing amazing. I am so impressed with how you are mastering money. Are you ready to go through our coins and notes? Let's do it even faster today. 10p. 1p. I can't hear you, make sure you're shouting it at me. 5p. £1. £10 note, not a coin. 50p. £5. £20, our biggest note. £2. 20p. 2p. And that is all of our coins and notes. That was super speedy, well done. Let's see what we're doing today.
So today in maths, we are going to learn how to find the difference between amounts of money. Today is Thursday, the 17th of December, 2020, and that means it's only 8 sleeps until Christmas. So let's think about what finding the difference means. Here are Ron and Whitney, and they are playing Spot the Difference. And there are two things different about their pictures. I would like you to pause the video here and see if you can find those two things. Excellent. If you've pressed play, hopefully that means that you spotted them. There are two coins that are different. So down here with Ron, he has this coin hiding behind this sack. What coin is that? Shout it out. Well done. It's a £1 coin. And Whitney doesn't have that one, so that is something different about their picture. They both have a 2p, they both have the sack, that's the same, but they don't both have a pound, that's different. And also, Ron has this coin down here. What coin is this? Shout it out. 50p. Excellent. So that is something else different about their pictures. Whitney, she's got a 50p up here, and so does Ron. That's the same, but she doesn't have a 50p down here. That's different. So they've decided to play Spot the Difference again, but this time it's just coins, and they've laid them out so we can see what they've got. So let's have a look. So they both have £1. That's the same. They both have 20p. Oh, but they don't both have a 5p, only Whitney does. And they both don't have a 2p, only Whitney does. So that is the difference. This is what's same, this is what's different. 5p, add 2p. 5, 6, 7. 7p. The difference between their amounts, between what they have, is 7p. They've got this amount the same, but 7p different. Here they are again. Let's see what they have the same and different this time. They both have a £1 coin. What about the 10p? Whitney does not have a 10p in her row. Let's keep going. They've both got a 5p. They've both got a 2p. So the difference, the only thing that is different is Ron has this 10p. So the amount that's different is 10p. Okay, now we have Dora and Teddy, and they're not showing us their coins, they're just telling us the amount that they've got. So Dora has 90p and Teddy has 50p, and we need to work out what the difference is in price. We can see they have different amounts, they have different numbers, but what's different about it? I need to get from 50p to 90p to find the difference. This arrow here, that's what's different. So I'm going to count on from 50 to 90. And I'm not going to sit here and try and do that in ones because I know how to count in tens. So let's start at 50, get your fingers in front of you, and let's see how many tens it takes us to get to 90. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. I'm holding up 4 fingers, are you? That means the difference is 10, 20, 30, 40. 40p different. 40p different. Well done, everybody. Ooh, Dora and Teddy are now taking their money and they're going to the shop. Teddy has 23p and Dora has 55p. I'm going to show you with base 10 and coins how to work that question out, how to find the difference. Let's have a look at how we can work that problem out. So we need to make our smallest amount first, which was 23p. Here's my 20p, 21, 22, 23p. And I'm going to also show that in base 10 to help us with our counting. I've got 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. But I want 55. I've got 23. I want 55. So let's start with our tens. How many tens have I got here? 20. But I want 50 because I'm trying to make 55. 20, 30, 40, 50. 50, 51, 52, 53. We want 55. So I've got 3, 4, 5. So I started with 23. Now I've got 55. I need to make my coins look the same. I don't have 20p anymore. I've got 50p. I don't have 3p anymore. I've got 55p. So I'm going to swap them for a 5p. So that has got me to the next total, but that doesn't find the difference. The difference is what we added on. So I can't stop there. I need to check what I added on. So this is what I added. I added 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. So my difference would be 32p. Without it, I've got 23. When I add it on, I've got 55. That is how you find the difference. Okay, let's look at one more altogether. So Dora and Teddy, they're off to the shop again. They've got a bit more money this time. Teddy's got 68p and Dora has 84p. And let's think about what we just did with the coins and base 10. So the first step is always to make the smallest amount. And Teddy has the smallest amount. We can see that from their tens. He has less tens. So I'm going to make that amount 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68p. I found that easiest to do that by starting with tens. So I've made the smaller amount. Now I need to count on to the greatest amount, Dora's. I need to get from 68 to 84. So the easiest way to do that is going to be to first get to the next lot of 10. So to get from 68 to the next lot of 10, I just add 2. 68, 69, 70. I'm not quite there yet though, because look at my tens. I need 8 lots of 10. I've only got 7. So I'm going to add another lot of 10 to make 80. Oh, but I've still got some ones left to go. 80, 82, 84. So you can get there in any way you want, with any coins you want. It will give you the same answer. It's whichever counting you find easiest. So I've now got to the greatest amount, but I can't stop there. Because this, what I've added on, that is the difference. Let's see what I added on. Start with your biggest coin. 10, 12, 14, 16. Did you notice I counted in twos there because they are 2p's, not 1p's. So the difference is 10, 12, 14, 16p. So we can't stop at that step. We have to then work out what it is we counted on, and that is our difference. Think all the way back to that spot the difference at the start. It's what is different about their two amounts. That's what we're looking for. So now it's your turn. Remember to start with the smallest amount, count on to the greatest amount, and then the difference is what you counted on. On Google Classroom, you will find 4 questions asking you to find the difference and 2 problems to solve by finding the difference. Start with the smallest amount, count on to the greatest amount, see how much you have to count on. Good luck, and please just drop me a message if you would like a hand at all. Bye everyone.